Before you even think about growing your wealth, I want you to ask yourself one question. It's a question we often try to avoid when we're busy studying returns and analyzing markets, but honestly, it's the most important one you can possibly ask. What happens if you're not around to finish the plan? You see, most people focus only on how to make money. The offense, the growth, all the exciting stuff. But the smartest investors, the ones who build real, lasting wealth, they think just as much about how to protect it. They know growth is only half the battle. Because you don't build a skyscraper without a solid foundation, and you don't build wealth without protection. Welcome to Invest Education Hub, where we turn smart investing into simple, confident decisions. If you're ready to build your wealth and protect it the right way, you're going to want to stay with us until the end. This one could literally change how you see financial security forever. Okay, let's get to work laying that foundation. So what is this foundation we're talking about? Well, for a smart investor, that bedrock of protection is term life insurance. It's simple, it's efficient, and it's built for people who value clarity over all that unnecessary complexity. Let's break down exactly what this is because it's incredibly straightforward. With term life insurance, you pay a small monthly premium for a set period of time. We're talking 10, 20, maybe even 30 years. If you pass away during that term, your family gets a big, tax-free payout. And if you outlive the policy, it just ends. That is it. Seriously, there are no tricks, no hidden fees, no complicated cash values to worry about. You're not buying some confusing financial product. You're just buying pure, simple security for the people you care about most. Now, here's where it gets really mind-blowing for a lot of people. Just how affordable this foundational protection can be. For a healthy 30-year-old, getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in coverage can cost around, say, $25 to $30 a month. Now, look at that comparison. Other types of policies can easily cost 5 to 10 times more for the exact same amount of protection. I mean, think about that. That's the difference between a coffee budget and a car payment. This affordability is the secret weapon for smart investors, and it leads us right into the core strategy. And this, right here, is the strategy. Buy term and invest the rest. It's so simple, it's brilliant. Let's look at two paths your money could take. Over on the left, you could sink $100 a month into a complex, bundled insurance product. Sure, you get some protection, but it often comes with really slow growth and super high fees. But look at the smart way on the right. You lock in protection for your family with a $25 term policy, and then you take that extra $75 and you invest it yourself. You get the same, if not better protection, and you unlock some serious growth potential. So what does that invest the rest part actually look like over time? Well, over 25 years, that extra $75 a month could grow to more than $80,000, all while your family was fully protected every single day. That right there is what financial intelligence looks like, getting the protection you absolutely need without ever sacrificing your ability to build real wealth. You know, you can really think of it like this. Every good portfolio needs both an offense and a defense. Your investments, your stocks, your retirement accounts, that's your offense. That's how you score points and grow your money. Term life insurance, that's your defense. It's the safety net for your family, but it's also the offense for your own peace of mind. It's what allows you to move forward confidently, knowing that your loved ones are secure no matter what life throws at you. So if this strategy is so simple and powerful, you're probably asking, why doesn't everyone do it? Well, a lot of the time, it comes down to a few really common myths that have been circulating for decades, just creating a ton of confusion. So let's tackle them head on. Okay, myth number one, and we hear this all the time. Term is a total waste of money because it expires and you get nothing back. It's a really common way to feel, but it completely misses the whole point of the product. Here's the truth. It's not designed to make you rich. It's designed to protect your family during your prime earning years. You know, that critical time when your kids are young, the mortgage is high, and your absence would create a massive financial hole. The policy is temporary because the need for it is temporary. Once your kids are grown and you're financially independent, you've basically self-insured. You've won the game. Now, myth number two is the big one. Whole life or other permanent policies are better because they build a cash value. This sounds like a fantastic two-for-one deal, right? An investment and an insurance policy all bundled into one neat little package. But the truth is, that so-called value often comes with a really hefty price tag. We're talking high fees, huge agent commissions, and growth that's usually way slower than the market. You can almost always build wealth much faster with way more control and transparency by buying cheap term insurance and just managing your own investments separately. And finally, we've got myth number 3. It's the simplest, but maybe the most dangerous one. I just don't need life insurance at all. A lot of people, especially when they're young and healthy, feel like it's just an expense they can skip. But here's the straightforward reality. If anyone, a partner, children, or even your aging parents, depends on your income to maintain their quality of life, then you absolutely 100% do. It's not about you, it's about providing a financial backstop for them if the unexpected ever happens. So now that we've cleared up all that noise and confusion, let's look at the Smart Investor's Playbook. This is how you actually integrate this powerful defensive tool into your bigger financial plan, putting both protection and growth into action. Here it is, your 4-step action plan. First, you build your emergency fund. That covers the short-term crises. Second, you get affordable term life coverage in place. That protects your income against a long-term catastrophe. Third, with that foundation solid, you can invest with confidence every single month. And fourth, you review your plan every few years because, life changes and your goals evolve. This is how you create a complete financial ecosystem where security actually supports your freedom to invest and to grow. And this brings us to the most crucial point of all. Investing without protection isn't confidence, it's just risk. It's a gamble. A true investor doesn't ignore risk, they identify it and they prepare for it. Building this foundation isn't about being fearful, it's about being smart, strategic, and totally in control of your financial future. Think about it. We insure our cars, our homes, and even our phones. But the greatest investment you'll ever protect is the one your family depends on, you. Before you grow wealth, make sure it's protected, because real confidence doesn't come from risk, it comes from preparation. At Invest Education Hub, we partner with trusted life insurance professionals right here in the United States to help you find the right coverage for your goals and your family. If you'd like some guidance or just want to explore your options, get in touch with us. Our team can connect you directly with licensed experts who specialize in smart, affordable protection. If this explainer helps you think differently about investing and protection, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Here at Invest Education Hub, we turn smart investing into simple, confident decisions.